Good morning, Edgemere. This is Charles Plafkin. We're going to do some workout today. Let's start. Let me get my new music, teaching from my cell phone. And we're going to do walking in place. Walk. Deep breath. Wider. Bring it in. Swing it out. Now knee up and across. March. Knee up across, twist. Use your arms any way you can. March. Keep moving, take deep breaths. Warm it up. Wide straddle, pump your arms. Bring it in. Pump your arms. Wider. Bring it in again. Swing your arms. Up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, up. Twist again. March. Quick, 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 quick. Swing those arms. Breathe through the nose. Wide straddle, bring your arms up, take a deep breath through the nose. Deep breath. Down and up, and 1, up, 2, up. Touch your low back so you pull up straight. One more time. Now start low and reach up. Up and down. Do bigger leg movement. 1. Your shoulders. 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Grab your chair so you can have a hand on something. Let's do some high knees. Ready? Knees up. 2. Let's go 30 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 14, 10 more. Ready. Quick, quick, quick. Straddle. Hop, 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 hop. Pick up your knees, arms and legs are moving. Step touch. Touch, touch. Hump your legs some. Down, up. Just let your arms move with the beat. Touch, touch, touch. Wider down, touch. Try to bend over a little bit. Do a little upper body work. Side, side. You can keep your feet stationary. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pull your elbow higher. Corner. Overhead. Touch, 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 touch. Move with the touch. Touch, 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 touch. Now walk it. Clap your arm. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Punch up. Breathe through the nose. Now here's your squats. I had you get the chair handy in case you want to hold on. But I'm going to try to remember, sit back in your heels. Come up and pull your shoulders together in the back. Got it? Ready? 1, up. 2, feel the weight sink in your heels. Seven. Now take it out again. Wide straddle. Watch your hand on the chair. 1, behind your back. 5. 1, now start low, reach high. Come on, all the way up. Up. 5. 1, 2, 3, knee up. 1, 2, 3, knee. 3 steps. Knee. One, 2, 3, knee. 1, down. 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. Step, 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 knee, step, knee. Side to side. Wait for the beat. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. Twist. 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 More now. Twist. Pick up your knee. 3 steps. Knee. 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 Good. Hold on to the chair if you need. Push. I'm doing arms. You can just hold on if you want. I want the toes up, down, up, down. Deep breath. Other foot. Hold on if you need. Four, 3, 2, quick, walk it. Move up. Move back. Move up. Move back. Pump those arms. And back. Now, hold on to the chair for a few toes and heels. Toes, heels. Use both hands. Good idea. Toes, heels. Toes, heels. March. Breathe. Step to the side, hold on to the chair. 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, your outside leg. Kick. Come on, get lower. Kick higher. You got a chair to hold on to. Side leg lift, side leg lift. Kick. Hold on to the chair, same leg, your outside leg, kick, 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 kick. Come on, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got some aches and pains going today. Change legs. Now put the chair on the other side and use your other leg. I'm calling it the outside leg, so you wouldn't want to kick toward your chair, would you? Get your weights out of the way in case they're in the way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, hold on if you need. Kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, kick. 1. Kick. A couple more. 1, 2, 3, kick. Now this is can kick on this leg. 1, 2. Feel your quadriceps working. 11, 12, 13. 20. Walk. Deep breath. Now, knees up. Curl, curl, curl. Try to pull your back straight. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then straddle. 1, 2. 1, a little lower. 2. Use your arms. Pump your legs. One more lower. 8. Bring it front. 1, 2. Move your legs. 1, 2. 1, 2. Great. Move your feet. Keep moving. Try to get some cardio going still. We have 16 minutes so far. Up your arms. Take a little walk. Make sure your weights are, you're not going to step on them. Forward. And back. Punch up. Punch out. Punch front. Punch side. Ready. Roll those shoulders. And guess what time it is? No, it's not A-E-I-O-U. It's push-up time. So go to the ballet bar. Your hands are below your shoulders. If you're at the wall, remember hands below shoulders. Let's go for 15 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 more. Use the wall. Use your sink in front of your sink. Now get in front of your chair. Keep moving though. You're not going to sit down. We're going to sit down. And then we're going to sit down. We're going to stay up on our feet. Here we go. Cross your arms. Make sure there's a chair behind you. Practice. 1. Those are just warm-ups. 2. 4. 6. 7. 8. Stay up. Keep moving. One more time, deep breath. Right? Behind your chair for leg lifts. Okay. Ready, side leg. High as you can go. I'm going to pause at the top. 2, 3. Put it back down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change legs. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Ready, roll your shoulders, hold on to the chair, push your hips forward, and back. Inhale, hips forward, hold on, and back. One more time. Inhale. Good. Now on this one, we're going to get our donkey kick to the back like this. Look at my bent leg. Push, push, push. You don't really drop it down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change legs. Keep your knee bent. 1, 2, 3. Change. One more time. Keep the knee bent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 5. And stretch. Keep moving a little bit. Grab your weights. If you need to sit down now, you can sit. It's been 25 minutes. I'm going to stand. Try to keep my heart rate going at least 5 more minutes. Curl it. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now take one arm forward, other arm. Bend your legs, other arm. Bend your legs, up, down, up, down. Six, 7, slow, 8. Walk. Put the weights on your shoulders. Good. Push them up. And down. Push them up. Down. Push them up. Four. 5. Deep breath. 6. 7. 8. 9. That's good. Now both arms side. Make sure you're away from the chair. Or you could be in a chair seated. 1. High as you can go. 2. Work your legs some. 5. 7. 8. 10. Walk a little bit more. 3 minutes. Knee. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. Waist on your shoulder, put your right foot in front. Deep breath. Lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight on the front leg. 5. 6. Change. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 5 more. 6. Great. Put those down. Now for the back of the arms, instead of doing the weights like this, we're going to do chair push-ups. So I hope your chair has arms. There, you get to sit down. Woo. Push with your hands on the arms of the chair. Put your feet out front, that's easy. Now that's harder. This is easy. You decide where you're going to put your feet. Ready? Push. 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold it. Hold. A little lower, a little lower, a little lower, a little lower. And you sit down. Grab your arm and pull across. Other arm across. Hand down your back. This hand pushes up. Deep breath through the nose. Switch. Now, while we're at the edge of the chair, do abdominals. Touch your back. Make sure the hips are at the front. Two. Knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax, take a deep breath. Pulling those abs, lift your rib cage up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4. That's good. Stretch to your right foot. Inhale. Over. Again, deep breath up. Over. Jumping jacks. Heels. Knees up. Heels. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now balance, legs out, arms out. Hold, hold, hold. Both toes. Inhale, arms up. Great. Now let's do knees, elbow to knees. So pick up your right leg, left hand. Switch. Keep your back against the chair. Switch. Switch. Great. Move your shoulders. turn and let's stretch. Drop your knee down. Feel the stretch on the top of your thigh. Deep breath. Lean back a little further. Switch. Other leg, lean back. All right, it is time to do our face workout. Roll your shoulders. Take a deep breath. One hand on your back, one hand by the ear. Try to stretch. Switch. Deep breath. Roll them again. Down, look up, look right, look left. Let's say the vowels and look surprised. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, A, E, I, O, U, and it's time to say goodbye, Edgemere. Thank you for watching, and I'll have lots of videos coming your way. Keep working out.